New York is the latest state to put illegal immigrants in the driver's seat, and I mean that literally. The state will stop requiring applicants to prove their status, a move that has immigration critics fuming. CNN's Jim Acosta is live in New York. Jim, what are the critics saying?
Well, Carol, after Congress failed to pass immigration reform, many states have tried to enact their own measures to crack down on undocumented workers. But New York is going in the opposite direction, giving illegal immigrants the green light.
The people united will be driving in New York.
It may be the most applause the DMV has ever had. Activists for undocumented workers cheered in both English and Spanish as New York's governor made it official. The 500,000 to 1 million illegal immigrants in the state can be licensed to drive.
We are proud to say to them, you are welcome, and we will not create in the DMV a barrier to your participation in our society.
By next April, applicants for driver's licenses in New York will no longer have to prove their legal status. Instead, they will simply check a box that states they are not eligible for a Social Security number. Spitzer insists it's not his fault. Federal immigration officials have, as he put it, failed to do their job.
The INS is a broken organization. I will not, as the governor of New York, let them shift the burden of taking their job and put it on the shoulders of every agency of the state of New York. That's wrong. We're not going to do it.
But with New York becoming the largest of the 8 states offering licenses to the undocumented, illegal immigration critics slam the looser restrictions as another assault on the nation's borders.
It's fantasy to believe that the federal government by itself could ever enforce illegal immigration. If New York State is going to give driver's licenses to illegal aliens, then they are, in our view, breaking the law. They are running their own immigration program because New York State will be aiding, abetting, and encouraging people to come to this country illegally.
We found one illegal worker from Mexico who's ready to line up for his driver's license photo.
I feel happy. I don't have that fear of being we'll have a trouble with the law, basically.
Now, as you notice in that piece, Spitzer referred to immigration authorities as the INS. Actually, the agency name was changed to ICE 4 years ago. Critics of this new policy ask, if the governor can't get the name right, how can he get the law right? Carol?
Oh, man. Another question for you. What about the Real ID Act that Congress passed? Wasn't that supposed to make it more difficult for illegal immigrants to get driver's licenses?
It was, but that is not supposed to take effect until 2013. And what immigration critics are saying is that this is already undermining that law that is now in the process of becoming a law that is in full effect. But immigration supporters, advocates of illegal immigrants in this country say, now hold on, if you want to get folks out on the roadways and do it safely, you want to make sure that everybody is insured to drive that automobile. And what this does, according to the governor and those advocates of immigration or illegal immigrants in this country say, you know, those folks need to be insured if they're going to be behind the wheel. Carol?
Jim Acosta, live in New York. Thank you. Up ahead